Solving quadratic equations with quadratic formula. There's two types of answers that you usually get: exact answers that you have to simplify and approximate answers. We'll try to cover both. We'll start with exact answers. On these, you do have to simplify completely. Of course, if possible. We'll start with this example. 7x squared minus 3x minus 2 equals 0. Just in case you don't remember it, I'll go ahead and put the quadratic formula down. Minus b plus or minus square root b squared minus 4ac divided by 2a. Now for this particular example, a equals 7, b equals -3, and c equals -2. We'll go ahead and plug it into the formula itself. X equals minus b, so negative and then a -3, plus or minus square root of -3 squared minus 4 times 7 times -2. All of that divided by 2 times 7. We'll go ahead and keep simplifying it. The double negative on the front, that is a +3 plus or minus square root of 9 plus 4 times 2 is 8 times 7 is 56 divided by 14. So this is 3 plus or minus the square root of 65 divided by 14. Now the square root of 65 cannot be simplified any further, so actually this is as far as you can go on this particular example. Now let's go ahead and try a different one. So on this one, 9x squared plus 2x minus 1 equals 0. We're still looking for exact, fully simplified solutions. So a equals 9, b equals 2, c equals -1, x equals minus b, so -2 plus or minus square root b squared, so 2 squared, minus 4 times 9 times -1 divided by 2 times 9. Go ahead and simplify a little bit. -2 plus or minus square root. So 2 squared is 4. There is a double negative inside, so that is plus, and 4 times 9 is 36 divided by 18. So this is -2 plus or minus the square root of 40 divided by 18. This can be simplified, so let's go ahead and see how to do that. So -2 plus or minus square root. Now 40 is 4 times 10 divided by 18 equals -2 plus or minus square root of 4 is 2. Square root of 10 stays underneath, and then divided by 18. Now you can factor the 2 on the top, or you can split this one big fraction into 2 smaller ones. I like splitting it into 2 different fractions, 2 smaller fractions, plus or minus 2 square roots of 10 over 18. Now you can simplify. -2 over 18 is -1 over 9, plus or minus. 2 and 18 will reduce, square root of 10 will still stay, and then 18 is a 9. And this will be your final fully simplified answer. Now, the other type of quadratics is where the answers need to be approximated, so they're decimal answers. And that's the one that we're going to try next. And we're going to round to the 2 decimal places, so to the nearest hundredth. Let's try this example. 2x squared plus 7x minus 6 equals 0. The same quadratic formula, a equals 2, b equals 7, c equals -6. X equals -7 plus or minus square root 7 squared minus 4 times 2 times -6 divided by 2 times 2. So that's -7 plus or minus square root of 97 divided by 4. Now, since we're approximating here, we need to split it into two different x's. x1 is -7 minus the square root of 97 divided by 4. We can put that into a calculator and get -4.21. And then x2 will be the same thing, but it's -7 plus square root of 97 divided by 4. That's the only thing that's different, is the sign in the middle. And that one is 0.71.